Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me again. Today is a spring clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the notification on. And if you like, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I do content of homemaking, some cleaning, cooking, and tips for around the house. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on. I try to post every Wednesdays and Sundays. Instead of overwhelming myself through this big broom, I'm going to take a small section of it and then I'm going to work on that area and then I'll move on to the next one. I'm going to be using my broom to help clean off the ceilings and get all the spider webs and dust off there. And I'm going to be working my way around the room slowly. My duster is a microfiber duster from Lidman. I got this at Walmart, I believe, or at a local grocery store. And I think I paid about 12 bucks for it. I really like it because it's reusable. I just throw it in the washing machine when I'm done with it, and it picks up a lot of dust. It's a really good one. In my spray bottle, I have an all-purpose spray, and the scent is orange and rosemary from Grove. Here is a tip when you're cleaning. I like to grab baskets and I'll fill them up, and then when I'm full, I go and dump them into the right rooms and put those items away correctly. I was trying to steam my table runner with just holding it up, but it was too difficult, so I ended up getting a paint hanger, and it was a lot easier for me to get it done.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less.
In my white bottle, I have the glass cleaner from Grove. I actually like this one too. It does really good not leaving it straight. But my blue and green rags, I just want to let you know, you could buy these at Walmart. I believe they come in a pack of 2 for like $1 in the cleaning section. So that's how I have so many of the blue and green rags. These are the same curtain holders I had made for the cozy room. I'm so blessed to have 29 subscribers, but I can always use more, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like,
In this corner, I have all of my garden stuff that I've been using. I'm starting my seedlings for my vegetable garden this year.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how? I played for you, I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you.
Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the very end of this video. It took me all day to clean and declutter this area. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share them and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.